So this tip is about building nested subtotals by unchecking the box that would have me otherwise remove the current subtotal. So I'm going to select a data point in this region, press Control A, and in the Data tab, go to the Outline group, Subtotal. And Excel has pre-populated these fields correctly, actually, because what I want to do is subtotal the sales for each change in the month, January, February, March. I'm going to left-click OK, and we have our first subtotal imposed on this data. The next thing I want to do is subtotal the products within each one of the months. And in order to do this, I'm going to select January, and I'm going to have to sort by going to the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, left-click Sort, by the values that are contained in column C, by product. And that's already been set up in the fields for me. I'm going to left-click OK. So I've now got the data oriented and sorted how I need to have it, to then go to the Data tab in the Outline group, left-click Subtotal, and Excel's going to tell me that it found a row of data immediately above the table or database. If the row contains column labels, which it does, you should include it in your selection so that the filter command will work properly. So we're not actually filtering, we're subtotaling, but I do need to include those column labels, so I'm going to say yes. And Excel has pre-populated these fields, but I need to make a change because I don't want to subtotal by month this time, I want to subtotal by product. And the only other thing we need to make sure that we do is to clear this checkbox, replace current subtotals. When we clear this checkbox, Excel won't clear the subtotal that we just created. It'll add the new subtotal, left-clicking OK. So now I have all the products that were sold in January subtotaled, and I have a grand total for January as well.